Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nyakinyanya Japhet, a psychologist and a mediator. Today is another day that we are going to discuss about our mental health awareness. And today, as I said, this month we are going to discuss more about depression. Today's topic we are going to discuss about women and depression. Women and depression. Now, as we all know that the way we have been created, the way men handle stress, the way men handle the depression, the symptoms that appear in men, the symptoms that appear in women, it is different. So it is not like depression in women, it is not like the malaria where you can say that they have the same symptoms. In women, they have the way the depression it comes in a different way. This is because of the reproductive cycle with the hormones that we call progesterone, that which tends to make women, which makes women to do what you call, they cover the stress in women. So progesterone, because of the progesterone hormone, which is responsible during reproductive cycle, it makes women to tend to have different type of depression. Now, as in the women, and another thing that we need to know is that in women, we have different types of depression in women, which makes them to be in a unique way. And even the way women handle their stress, it looks like it is very different. They are vulnerable to depression compared to men. This is because when men have depression, they try to cope with depression, meaning that men, when they have depression, they just go to drugs, they can go to sex so that they to end their depression. And this is, I mean that for women, it is inactive. You know, it is not effective on how they can deal with this depression. Now you can get that due to these progesterone hormones, you get that women their depression tends to affect them more. Now, as I say that women with the depression, the way they cope with the depression, you just get that it affects them more. This, I said, the reason why it affects women more, it's because, you know, men, they have a way. Because now in men, they don't have what you call progesterone hormones. That's why they tend to handle depression in a good manner. Now that we have said that, now we want to know how can we help our women? How can we help our women so that they can know how to handle this depression? As we have said that depression has been a great trend not only in our country but also in the globally. Now, when women have their menstrual cycle, they tend to have a depression. When they tend to have a depression, again, two, we have another type of depression, which we call postpartum depression. The postpartum depression, again, you can use another name. We call it child blues. When we call child blues, this is the depression that affects women when they have given birth. If not well handled, it can cause suicide. Also we have some of the symptoms that it displays. Here we get that those women, even if they are happy that they have given birth to the kid, they have some of the anxieties. You just get them. We have other women, because of this, they display what you call postpartum depression. You just get, they cry, and then they lose hope, and then you get here sometimes they can lack sleep. Maybe they can sleep more, and then because of that, you can even have what you call suicidal thoughts, and then you can get them. They have started even injuring themselves. Now with this, we need to, when you just see those symptoms have been displayed, for the normal depression in women, once they have postpartum depression, it can take two days, and it can take some weeks. Now, what are you supposed to do when we have severe depression in women? What you normally do, you just seek medication. You just seek medication, or you can go to your health practitioner, which is a psychologist or a psychiatric, so that you can be given the medicine. When you will be given the medicine, maybe the psychiatric will just know if it's going to give you the depressants. And another thing that I want to make it clear, so that women understand, and even our young ladies who are growing up, when you get that when they are in this depression, maybe let me again, so that for us to understand, because from the beginning I've talked about the menstrual cycle and how we have the depression which affects them when they have the menstrual cycle. You get this depression. This is where you get women. They spread the symptoms of having cramps. They can have you can get them. They are irritated. They have a lot of anger. Their moods change. You know, because of these progesterone hormones, you get their moods change. When their moods change, this is the kind of depression that we just get. So if there is a severe symptoms that can lead to more damages into our families, we can just get that if there's a depression during a menstrual cycle, this depression, it is supposed to be treated like another depression. So I want to make it clear. I want to make people, you know, sharing the information, getting the knowledge. It is like we are equipping yourself so that you help those people who we are not together with. As I say that, if you want to get this, you can support this education by even subscribing, sharing the message. Sharing the message, you can get this one of your families who is suffering from this depression. Again, as I say that depression again in women, there's another depression which appears when there is what you call menopause. During menopause, you just get here again, women tend to have depression. When they have this depression, if you get that there's some of the challenges that the patient who has depression, who has a menstrual depression, who have that depression, if they had some of the experiences, bad experiences, maybe they have lost their fellow family members, maybe they are struggling to life, maybe with financial, maybe they have many difficulties which can cause depression, and then you had the postpartum depression, you had menstrual depression, and then you had what you call menopause. You know, this is what is going to make the depression to be worse. This is now what is going to make now to you just see that this depression is going to be a worst case scenario of which needs you to go to be taken to hospital. That's why we say, if you see that your patient, if your family member has started to display those difficulties, those symptoms of depression, now what you need to do is you seek medical attention, of which you go and visit the psychiatric or the psychologist to give you more about how you can handle this depression. If depression it is not well handled, we said it can cause suicide. It can cause the patient can be a psychotic for the rest of his life. But I say that it is depression. It is a disease which is treatable. It is depression. It is a disease where you can get what? You can get medicine. You can get medicine. Depression cannot be treated only by drugs. We can apply even psychotherapy, where you apply drugs and then you apply psychotherapy. This is where you talk one-on-one with a psychologist or the counselor, and then they help you to know the cause of your depression. When they know the cause of your depression, and then this is now the time you get that you have known how to handle your depression. Now, let us now know how we can the symptoms that appear. I want to discuss more of the symptoms that can appear in the women, that when you can realize what are you supposed to do. One of the major symptoms that appear in the women when they have depression: one, they lose hope, they have suicidal talks, they say that they want to take suicide, and then they can lose weight, they can add weight, they can lose appetite, they can have appetite, they can have what you call insomnia, or they can sleep more, and then they can talk, they can have hallucination, you see, and then they can even have negative talk. They just lose hope, they talk like they don't even love themselves. Now when it reaches a time like this, and then you see even they display a lot of anger, and then when it reaches a time like this, now this is when you can realize that the women, they have depression. What are you supposed to do? One, for you, when you realize that you have depression, one of the fine things that you need to do is you need to have somebody to talk to. You can have a professional, maybe you have a family counselor, a family psychologist, and then you have a family where you can talk to. The moment you talk to, the moment you make those conditions, you just know how to cope with that condition. Another thing that you can do when you have kids, it is good you start having psychotherapy earlier. The moment you have psychotherapy, maybe you have the issues which has not been tackled by the professional. These issues, let's say for example you lose your family member, and then the issue was not tackled by the professional, and then now you are going to have postmortem depression, and then the case is going to be worse. So it is good the moment you solve these issues earlier, the moment you get yourself, you are going to have a health. Even if you are going to have that depression, it will not affect you more. And then another thing that you can do, if we have realized that we have the depression, what you need to do is to seek medical attention. When you seek medical attention, the professional who is a psychologist, who is a psychiatric, they will help you. If they are going to say that you are going to be under medication, and then it means you are going to be under medication for a short while, and then you go back to the normal duties and to your normal routine. And then let us not feel like we are victimized when we are being told that we have depression. We are saying that depression, it is like any other disease that affects everybody, that affects anybody, whether you have money, whether you are rich or you are poor, whether you have work, whether you are from another profession, you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, you are what, depression can affect you. Some people believe, it is a long belief, that depression only affects those people who have mental issues. Maybe no, depression affects those people who are okay. You have seen in the social media, you have heard from newspaper on a daily basis, women killing their husbands, women killing their children. This is the real depression we talk about. This is the real depression that we need to tackle. We need to know how we can help our women, our mothers, our sisters. They are great people. They serve as well. They play a great role in our families. If we cannot take care about them, it means we are going to lose our generation. And losing women in a society, it is like you are losing a generation of the future. So let us help our women by helping them to know how to handle depression. When you know how to handle depression, when you save our mother, you save the whole generation. You save our family. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we have discussed the depression in women, I have empowered you. I have given you enough message, the basic, how you can handle depression in women. Thank you very much for listening to me. Keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, keep on commenting. The more on a weekly basis, I will keep on posting the videos that will help you know how to tackle mental issues. Thank you very much. Wish you well.